Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. We'll start off today's news with the 2020 Lexus RX and RXL gets an update on face and tech. But before we get into the news, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, let's get right into the news. The Lexus RX gets a facelift and some much needed tech update for the 2020 model year. Though Lexus's updates to the RX may seem relatively tame, the brand is surely looking to play things safe with its mid-size crossover, which also serves as its best-selling vehicle. Luckily, Lexus chose to update the model's most subpar part, its infotainment system. Lexus is updating its RX and RXL lineup of luxury crossovers for 2020 with tweaks to its steering and driving dynamics, interior and exterior, new Android Auto integrations, and standard Lexus Safety System Plus 2.0 technology. The changes also boost the RX 350 starting price to $45,175, including the $1,000 destination charge. On the outside, Lexus changed the look of the front by updating the spindle grille, which had previously featured horizontal slats, and adding more prominent surround to the fog lights that echo the grille. Also, it echoed are the hand-drawn angles of the grille surround at each corner of the bumper to harmonize the visual flow. The bigger news in the cabin is where a 12.3-inch touchscreen is now available. An 8-inch touchscreen comes standard, while the frustrating remote touchpad system is still present. The addition of touchscreen functionality should improve the system's ergonomics. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now included, the latter of which is the first for a Lexus model. Opting for the bigger screen also brings improved voice control, which Lexus says can handle bigger inputs such as addresses and trees. Every RX now comes standard with Lexus's latest suite of safety tech, which includes new technologies such as low-light pedestrian detection and lane tracing assist. The pre-collision warning system also now detects bicyclists, in addition to other vehicles and pedestrians. Lexus also tinkered with the RX's driving dynamics, albeit minimally. New hollowed-out front and rear stabilizer bars, and reinforced bushing work to reduce body roll, while the shock absorbers are retuned for a smoother ride. Additionally, the F-Sport package now includes an active variable suspension or AVS from the LC Sports Coupe. Let me know in the comment section below folks, can you spot the difference between the facelift and the pre-facelift model?